Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Love is the flower you've got to let grow. You are the rose that makes my garden bloom. Like flowers, our love grows beautifully. You're my sunflower, always shining bright. Every love story should bloom like spring flowers. My heart is a garden, and you are the bloom. Our love is like a wildflower, free and beautiful. Without you, my world feels like a withered flower. Our love blossoms like a spring garden. Every petal whispers, I love you. You're the wildflower in my heart. In the garden of love, you're my favorite bloom. Our love is rooted deep like a strong oak. I'd pick you again and again, my love. Your love is as sweet as a jasmine breeze. Like a sunflower, I turn to you for light. If love were a flower, I'd pick you every time. Like a sunflower, my love always follows you. Your love is the rain that helps me grow. Love is the softest petal in life's bouquet. You're the rose that colors my world. Our love is a bouquet of happiness. With you, every season feels like spring. Love is the wildflower that grows in the heart. You make my heart blossom with happiness. With you, love blossoms endlessly. You're the fragrance in my life's bouquet. Love is like a flower, it needs care to bloom. I love you like a rose loves the morning dew. You are the most beautiful flower in my garden of life. My heart blooms whenever I see you. You are my floral fairy tale. Love is the seed, and we are the blossoms. If kisses were flowers, I'd give you a garden. Like flowers, love brings color to life. You are my forever bloom. Like a rose, our love is both beautiful and strong.